I'm back with myself. This is Dr. JoJo's new gamer tag. Crow, Flame, and Chinuit. So let's get back to the game. Skillet Butt Part 2.
Okay, I guess we're going to sleep.
Yeah, guys, let's go to sleep. This is my bed. In the closet is my bed. Because my dog's on my bed. Minecraft Skelly Butt Part 2.
Some skellies and look at their butts. Oh, you guys want to see a skeleton? Skelly butt? Okay, I got.
I think my puppy's mad. Mousing! Chinuit's a skelly butt! Oh, look at that skelly butt! Look at that skelly butt! Look at that! Oh! My dog's biting that skelly butt! My dog is biting that skelly butt!
Dude, that kid keeps blowing up. I need food. Ow! No. Kiddo? What? I'm not kiddo. Oh, I'm not. Okay, what is it? What do you want? Anyway?
I know.
The dog has to be. Kiddo. Get him down.
See how beautiful my bed is? It's in the closet. Yeah, I know.
Two more veins of iron in my mind today. Or just a second. What you cooking? Oh, you're making chocolate.
Look at that pig.
Did you make a chocolate, Dr. Jojo?
Look at his face. He is so weird. Oh, Chinuit just pwned a scout. Holy crap! Ah! What the heck? For Sparta! YOLO. You only live once, boy. Make it last. Wait, say that again.
Tragic. A boy named Lucas. What the heck? I can make a better skin than you guys. Look at this. Look at this skin. Look at this skin. Oh, let me find it. Don't hit me, I'll bring out my sword. Look at this skin. Look at this skin. I'm a girl. Kiddo. Get out of it. I don't have a bone. You can have some sand. Here you go. Oh, where'd you go? Here's some sand. Take that sand. Thank you. Take some dirt. Just take everything I throw at you and put it up in the chest, okay? Go stand in the middle so you can have this stuff. Go stand in the middle over here. Sorry, take all this. Take everything I have. We'll put everything up in the chest upstairs. There's you coming, so We'll put everything up in the chest, okay?
Where did he go?
There's still lots more. Hang on. Yeah, you can. Okay. That's all. Wait, no, there's more. There's 2 more sacks.
Look at that sheep. Look at that sheep. Oh, look at that
There
sheep.
you go. That's everything. You're welcome.
Happy birthday.
You need to subscribe. Even though I don't own this channel, I would very much like it if you would subscribe to this friend. He's my friend, and I would really like it if you subscribe. Please, it's from the heart. It really counts. Please do.
Gunpowder. We need gunpowder.
Who asked it?